The perfect Chicago-style hot dog. A, all 7 toppings, made for America.
Hey, y'all. Love my ribby? Now get ready, babes. The perfect Chicago-style hot dog.
Here are every single ingredient you need for the perfect Chicago dog. That green is not a color found in nature, and it is perfect. Everything organized and ready, huddy? Let's make Chicago's most legendary street food.
Steamer set up with 2 inches of water. Steam is everything here. Frank's steaming 4 minutes in. That steam is gonna make them snap perfectly. Go ahead and just check in the steam quality.
Buns steam just 1 minute death. Oh, warm and soft, but never, ever soggy.
There are a lot of them. Poppy seed buns, open gently, never fully split through the bottom of it.
Yellow mustard stripe first, 1 thin clean line from end to end. Regulation mustard line.
Still not a color in nature, still perfect. Neon green sweet relish, the color that makes Chicago style completely unmistakable. 2 Roma tomato wedges placed at each side. Vivid red is everything here. Tomato geometry matters. I have found heaven. 1 full dill pickle spear running the entire length, pure Chicago tradition. I have found heaven. 1 full dill pickle spear running the entire length, pure Chicago tradition.
Celery salt dusted over everything, Mom. The sacred finishing touch of every Chicago dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chicago, this one's for you.
The golden rule of Chicago, absolutely no ketchup, ever. Not even once. Chicago law, it was never there.
All 4 Chicago dogs assembled in perfect official topping order. Rehead, cow. Beautiful. This fry has ambitions. Steak cut fries for serving alongside bak by. Thick, golden, and made for Chicago. Steak cut fries into the hot oil loop, golden and crispy in 4 minutes. Chicago dog plated with fries alongside pie. This is America's greatest street food.
7 toppings, 1 perfect bun. Bleh.
Every topping in its perfect Chicago position, you. This bite is gonna be everything.
That snap, tag, natural casing Vienna beef, pure absolute Chicago perfection.
Steak cut fries dipped in yellow mustard, Chicago diner style, always and forever. Better. More mustard is always the answer in Chicago.
And here, in their natural habitat, we observe 4 perfect specimens of the Chicago-style hot dog. Chicago, this recipe is for you. From Chef Snowpaw with love. Go Bears!
American flag picks in each dog fiesta. Chicago style, red, white, and blue.
The perfect Chicago-style hot dog, made with love for all of America. Chicago, this was for you. Butter-Basted Ribeye Steak, perfectly seared, basted golden, made for America tonight.
Hey, y'all. Love my NYC pizza? Now get ready, Ray. Butter-Basted Ribeye Steak. Here are every single ingredient you need for butter-basted ribeye. 16 ounces. Herbed compound butter, 3. Parsley, garlic, lemon zest, the steak's best friend. Roll the compound butter into a log. Refrigerate until firm and ready. Generous kosher salt from Height. Season both sides completely and evenly now. That counts as tasting. Coarse black pepper pressed in firmly, Bill. This crust is gonna be incredible. Cast iron on screaming high heat, Roy. We need it absolutely ripping hot. Deglaze those beautiful drippings. That pan sauce is pure liquid gold right there. Ribeye goes into the screaming hot cast iron. Do not touch it now. 4 minutes, no touching. That Maillard crust is render the fat cap edge style. Crispy golden fat makes this steak incredible. Butter, garlic, thyme, rosemary into the hot pan. Basting time has arrived.
Continuous butter basting. Every single spoonful infuses pure flavor perfection.
Internal temperature at 120 black rates. 5 more degrees from carryover cooking will finish it. Rest 8 minutes under foil, the hardest weight of Chef Snowpaw's life. Rested to absolute perfection on ribeye. Look at that magnificent ribeye right there. Herbed compound butter sliced into perfect roundry. This goes straight on top. Oh. Compound butter melting on that hot crust, is it? Pure absolute luxury perfection.
Look at that butter cascade. This is why we cook America.
Pan sauce drizzled over that compound butter roux. Pure absolute steakhouse luxury. I got carried away. Fresh thyme, roasted garlic play. The garnish that makes this presentation absolutely perfect.
Perfect medium rare pink from edge to edge. That is absolute perfection.
Full steakhouse presentation plated beautifully. This is restaurant quality right here. Sliced against the grain, here's every single piece is perfectly tender and beautiful. Symmetry matters. Flaky sea salt finish. Oh, those crystals on that pink are breathtaking.
Butter-basted ribeye steak whole. Medium rare pink perfection, made for America tonight.
Oh, America, that first bite is absolutely.
Roasted potatoes and broccolini complete the perfect steakhouse dinner right here. And here we observe the butter-basted ribeye in its natural habitat.
Butter-Basted Ribeye Steak, made with love for all of America. Thank you, y'all.
If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.